Hi, my name is Jermaine Richardson. I'm with Cleveland Range. I'm the Director of Sales for Cleveland. Today I'm standing here with Kelsey with eSource.
Hey Jermaine, ask me about my Cleveland steamer.
It's funny you ask. Today we're sitting in front of our new SteamChef. This SteamChef has a bunch of new features. If you're familiar with our old SteamChef, this is an upgrade, the bigger brother of that SteamChef. As you can see, we have a touchpad. It's an easy touch. It's more user-friendly. With this touchpad, you have the ability to steam and hold. You have tray timers, low temp steam, and many more options, okay? Today, we're gonna make some cheesecake. A lot of people didn't know that you can make cheesecake in the steamer, but you really can. So I have Kelsey, who is my assistant, who made the cheesecake today, and we shall see when the cheesecake is finished. These cheesecakes came out really, really good.
We did.
Kelsey, tell me, what's your experience with the SteamChef making a cheesecake in our new booster mode SteamChef?
Well, it was a lot easier than I expected it to be. The recipe called for it to be steamed at 210 degrees for 26 minutes.
Wow.
And then we low steamed it for 10 more minutes at
170 degrees.
70 degrees. Then we threw it in our blast chiller for 15 minutes and
this is the finished product.
It's ready to go.
Wow.
Yeah.
So there you go. You can use our SteamChef to do cheesecakes. We also do, sometimes we do cupcakes in there. You can retherm, you can low temp steam. So it's not just a steamer nowadays. With this new SteamChef, you're able to do a lot more different things, such as cheesecake. So thank you. So, finished product. We have some of our folks eating some of the cheesecake that Kelsey and I made. We would like your feedback. How's the cheesecake, everyone?
Very delicious. Very good.
Thank you.